Let me guess, you want to start coding in 2025, but you have no idea where to start, right? You search online and suddenly you're droning in Reddit threads, opinions from 2018, and people fighting over Java versus Python, like it's a Marvel movie. Meanwhile, you are sitting there wondering, do I need to learn C++ to get hired? Is AI gonna take all the jobs? Will I ever understand what a stack is? Look, I have been there. So today I am breaking it down. Here are the top 3 programming languages to learn in 2025, based on what's actually useful, beginner friendly, and in demand. No fluff, no hype. Let's get into it. Yep, Python is still the greatest of all time for beginners. And no, it's not outdated, not even close. Here's why it is great. Super simple syntax, like almost reads like English. Used in web development, automation, data science, machine learning, AI. There's massive community, that is tons of tutorials, help, and yes, memes. Real beginner question. Do I need to be good at math to learn Python? No, you just need patience. Python's used in math heavy fields. Sure, but if you're building websites, automating tasks, or scrapping data, you're not doing calculus. Job potentials. Python shows up in tons of job listings, especially in AI, finance, and web development. Plus, it's used by Google, Netflix, Spotify, and most likely your favorite app. If you want to build websites, web apps, or anything that lives in a browser, JavaScript is your best friend. Why it's useful? It runs in every browser. It's the backbone of interactive websites. It works with frameworks like React, Vue, and Node.js for full stack power. Real beginners question? Can I get a job just knowing JavaScript? Yes, especially if you learn some front-end frameworks. Add HTML, CSS, and React. That's a full junior development toolkit right there. Heads up, JavaScript can get weird. It has quirks, but there are tons of beginner-friendly courses and you will get used to it. This one's for people who kinda like JavaScript but want something a little more structured. TypeScript is basically JavaScript with rules. It catches errors before you even run your code, which is super helpful when your app gets big. Real beginners question, should I learn TypeScript before JavaScript? Learn JavaScript first, get comfy with how it works, then move to TypeScript. It'll make way more sense. Job tip, a lot of startups and serious development teams now use TypeScript by default. It's a resume booster for sure. Honorable mentions, also known as should I learn this tool list. Java, still used in Android apps, banking systems, and big enterprise stuff. C#, great for game development with Unity and Windows app. Golang, clean, fast, and used by companies by Google, but not beginner easy. So which one should you learn first? If you are completely new, start with Python. If you want something general and beginner friendly, start with JavaScript if you're curious about building websites. Add TypeScript once you're comfy with JavaScript and want to go pro level. And no, you're not late. You didn't miss the wave. The tech industry always needs new devs who are curious, willing to learn, and not afraid to suck at first. That's how everyone starts. If this helped clear things up even a little, hit that like button and drop a comment with what you are thinking of learning. Or if you're just confused and need advice, I've got you. Whatever language you pick, stick with it for a bit. Get frustrated, get better. And don't forget, nobody starts off knowing this stuff.